Party 2 guys. Ready. Party 2. Southeast 3, 2, 1. Party 2 only. Guys, ready? Party 1 headbutt ha. Party 1. Headbutt in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything headbutt. I'm gonna die. No, I'm not.
Pilap. Drop fallen ng Kipona. Drop fallen ng
Nice.
Kipona.
Good job. We won the headbutt. Fuck man.
Okay, 80%.
Ready DPS.
Someone else left.
Party 2 good. Party 2. 3, 2, 1. Party 2 only. Okay, we're gonna do the
ready.
fake. Okay, party 1 ready. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 engage. Nice.
Nice.
Gumana yung pick ko. Holy shit.
Okay, spread.
Gate
Be
help.
ready. Guys, I don't have
60%.
defense. Everyone is chill.
PT1 ready.
Party 2 ready. Party 2 only fake. Only which work. 3, 2, 1. Party 2 only. Party 2.
GA na GA.
Okay, party 2 again. Party 2 just on the gate. 3, 2, 1. Ready, defense. Guys, ready. Party 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 only. Nice.
Bro,
Ano na ba?
sarap natin bro. Hinsu is back?
57% ah.
Chill muna kayo. Huwag muna kayo makita. Looking na.
Ready party 1.
Ready party 2.
7 seconds na ito. Party 2. Ready. Party 2 only. 3, 2, 1. Party 2. Okay. Stand. Guys, engaging. Ready. Party 1 now. Side back. South is 3, 2, 1. Southeast out. Nice hit. Can kill. Stand. Party 2 which work? Please which work lang.
Up na ka.
Party 2 which work fake. Guys, party 2 which work fake. 3, 2, 1.
3 seconds.
Party 2, guys, yeah, defend. No, fine. Party 2, on the gate, 3, 2, 1, everything, party 2. Okay, good. Ready, guys?
Dismounted chariot ah.
Okay, just chill, everyone just chill.
Ready party 1.
Party 1, ready. Just shallow on the gate. 3, 2, 1, everything, gate. Nice one. Everyone, come back, fight back.
I'm loving Rift Blade
Gate
bro.
50% still.
It's fine. I don't think
Up
they're
the
gonna-
perma.
Yeah, no. Party 2.
Ready party 1.
Party 2, just on the D-town.
Medyo malay na sila. One
Yeah.
entire screen. They're going northeast.
Yeah, may hinabol sila rat. Don't chase. Stay in gate. We're gonna lose open world against this.
Mas yung gamitin pang setup yung set na to.
No, DGG.
Pag nang ako boy.
Anyone else died?
No.
Wala boy!
Okay, confidence.
Ace route lang.
Ay, sa Ace
Medyo na-headbutt sa Ace route. Guys, when I'm calling for headbutt guys, mag-press kayo gigbutt. Hindi ako nag-press, I almost died. Munti kayo mawalan ng caller.
Buti naka-cleric ka daw.
Mali. I should have anticipated it. I should have
I almost expected you to die, bro. First engage.
Regear daw sila.
Hindi makapag-shield yung chariot kasi na perma din. Gago.
Yung longest CD mo for party 1 is Rift Blade, right? 27 seconds. 7 seconds.
Ages ata alat eh.
Pareha tayo.
Alex, guys, don't be too happy, guys. This comp only works with walls. If you have no walls, this comp is dog shit.
Teka, paano sabi Kip? Di mo pa na-try?
Bro, huwag mo na isipin. This is the same comp I run in
Huwag mo
Mal
na
dito.
itry.
I run this in Mal dito.
Counted sila.
Yeah, they're regearing.
Ah, okay.
If it's just Malem, okay, I'll take the fight, level 25. I'll take it. I'll take the level 25 fight.
20.
Kasi na ba ibang map? Sabi malit.
I mean, bakit
Kasi nung kakakdak daw yung solo king.
Solo king?
Oo.
Kung nakakatlock sila, tingin mo ba makakalagpas tayo dito? Guys, don't stop. Stay mounted, boys. Stay mounted. Just scout. Pwede naman mamaya after ng fight.
Percy wants to fight you, Kip.
Ha?
Pierce, yeah. Open
How
down.
big is Pierce, bro?
Bro, everyone's asking.
Bakit tayo?
They want to fight the new insurgents.
Niga.
Hindi, okay na daw. Na-bait na daw yung Ruo sa ibang map. On the way na dito. Bali.
Okay, chat ko yung Ruo. Please chase. Saan pupunta yung Malib?
Dito sa atin.
Hindi. Para habulin sila ng Ruo. Sabay ko may...
Dito sa atin.
Yo, papunta na, oh. Papunta na yung Malavelan. Malavelan at CTA.
Uy, gago mamatay yan.
Guys, don't kill.
Uy, baka marat. Boy.
Don't die. Don't kill. Guys, don't kill.
Tangina boy, fine kayo boy.